Hello everyone, my name is Samarth and I am going to make a series of videos on introduction to machine learning. The aim of these videos will be to give you an idea of what machine learning is and how you can implement it using Python. We will try to cover all the important concepts that are necessary for you to begin your journey towards machine learning, and we will also try to cover many algorithms that are present under the machine learning along with its basic implementation in Python. In this video, I would like to give an introduction on what machine learning is. The term machine learning contains two words, machine and learning. It is very crucial for us to know what this machine refers to. The word machine here refers to a computer or a CPU. It does not refer to any other kind of mechanical machine which does not have a CPU. Now coming to the second word in the term, that is learning. Learning here means learning from experience. Together, machine learning means a computer learning from experience. If we consider our usual programming, where machine learning is not involved, then our machine performs only a set of instructions that we have programmed to it. It does not have the ability to gain experience on its own and fetch the result based on that experience. So this is how a usual programming differs from a machine learning programming. A question that naturally comes to our mind is, how can we make a machine to learn? The answer to this is, in machine learning, we have special algorithms which allows a machine to learn. So using this algorithm, a machine can start learning from its experience. So the experience that we are giving to a machine is nothing but in form of data, and using that data, the machine learning algorithms build a special model called statistical model which depicts the behavior of the data. So by looking at this statistical model, the predictions for other data sets can be made in the future. So this is how a machine learns. So let us look at some benefits that machine learning offers us. The first benefit that we get from using machine learning is it provides automation. The second benefit is machine learning improves with experience. As the time passes on, the accuracy of a machine learning algorithms improves. The third important benefit that we get is it helps us to easily identify trends and patterns in the data. And the last benefit is it has a wide range of applications, from predicting a disease to identifying frauds in banking sector. So this was a brief on introduction to machine learning. In our next video, we will see the classification of machine learning. Thank you for watching.